Data migration. So data migration project. Okay, so our role is what? Our role is Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. These are things you should remember. Okay, so data. Okay, this is fine. Okay, now come back to now. Tell me, how can you communicate with the Snowflake?
SQL.
Okay, see with SQL. What is SQL? It's a structured
query language.
Structured query language. What's the purpose of it? It is used to
communicate with database or data warehouse.
Communicate with the Snowflake, we can say. Okay, anything. Okay, so this is okay. Tell me again what SQL are divided into SQL statements. Okay, or SQL languages. Okay, only one or two guys are sending tasks. Okay, remaining guys need to send. Okay, so SQL languages, then SQL commands.
SQL command
or basic
building
blocks of SQL. Tell me what the commands we're having. We're having DDL,
DML.
Okay, then
DQL or DRL.
First is DCL, then DRL, DCL. Okay, so these are the commands. Okay, see, we'll see step by step and close. Okay, already discussed, high level discussed. Data definition language. Tell me what the commands we're having. You're having. So create,
alter,
drop. Same thing. What about DML? It's a data manipulation language. What are the commands you're having? So insert, update, then delete. Okay, so insert, update, delete,
truncate,
merge and truncate. Okay, see, merge and truncate. So see, insert, update. Same thing. What happened? Remember? So we discussed yesterday. No? So DDLs are what? Auto committable. Okay, in the sense like what? No need to commit explicitly. Okay, what about DMLs? So DMLs are not auto committable. So these are important. Okay, so like high level. So these are not auto committable. Should use. So we should go for what? Transaction control language. So transaction control language. Okay, so okay, okay, see, what are the things you're having? Commit and rollback. Okay, so this one. What is DRL? DRL, data retrieval or query language. Okay, what command we're having? We're having select state. The same thing, DCL, data control language. So we're having what? We're having grant. Tell me grant and revoke. So grant and revoke. So this is like this way you can able to make. Okay, so this is fine. I'll come back to our use case one more time. So I'm trying to populate some data. Okay. Tell me what if you want to create this now, what should have one? Database should be there. Then what happened? Tell me. So before that, tell me for Snowflake, do you want to install any software or any hardware? No, because say SaaS, software as a service. Okay. Software as a service. This is fine. Tell me what happened. Okay, see, Snowflake can be logged in by how many ways? Snowflake can be logged in by how many ways? Tell me what are those things? Classic console.
Password and username.
Classic console. So these are the UIs. Classic console, Snowsite, and SnowSQL. Okay, so this is SnowSQL. Tell me this is what? This is what classic console or Snowsite? Anyone? We discussed yesterday. This is classic console or Snowsite? It's a Snowsite. Snowsite. Okay, see, Snowsite. Okay, so these are important. Okay, see. Okay, so these are the basic things, but these are very, very important. Okay, Snowsite. Okay, see, Snowsite. Just Snowsite UI. Okay. In production, we'll have like in the paid version, we'll have classic console. So this is fine. What happened now? Take the same thing. Now try to execute. Okay, put the same thing. So be on time. Okay. So what happened? Tell me when I try to execute, what will happen? Tell me. What will happen? So if you want to create any database object, compulsory you have what? Database and schema. Okay, see. Now try to create one data. So create database. Okay, suppose like today's day 2, day 3, dev db. Let's say database is there. Same thing, create one schema. So create schema day 3 dev sc. Tell me, so this is fine. In this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. How can I find list of tables? List of tables. Go for what? Show tables.
Show tables.
Show tables. Okay, show tables we can. Okay, so this is fine. In a similar fashion, tell me now, try to use what is the shortcut? Control enter is the shortcut. Okay, see, this is fine. Now insert some data. Okay, control enter is the shortcut. So remember, you should understand, see, first should be comfortable with this. Okay, see, database or refresh the same thing. Now in which database? So day 3, day 3, so schema, so records are there. See, 8 records are there. So click on this thing, see what happened? 8 records are there. Okay, so now tell me, so this is TCL. TCL what? This is what? DML. DML what? Explicitly needs to control by using command, so that data will be stored permanently in the database. Tell me how to see the data. Now I want to fetch the data, or I want to retrieve the data, or I want to query the data. Tell me by using which command?
Select.
Select statement. Now tell me. Tell me how to query. Select star from table.
Select star from
Okay,
table.
see, so this is important. Today we'll see discussing this topic. Okay, tell me what is star here? What is star here?
All columns.
Okay, see, star is nothing but say name is let's say projection operator. Okay, what exactly it will do? What exactly it will? It will display
Reads all the columns.
All the columns and all the records or rows. Okay, so this is important. Okay, one more time. So put everything here. Okay, it should be on time. Okay, because like 5-10 minutes. See, so select star from table. What happened here? Star is, let's say, projection operator. So projection operator. What exactly it will do? Projection operator. It will project all the columns and all the records or rows. Rows from what? Rows from table. Okay, so this is important. So select star from what? It is projecting all the columns. See what happened? So we are having, okay, so totally 6 columns or 7 columns. Okay, 8 records. It is projecting all the columns and all the records from the table. Suppose like see the same thing. Suppose like I don't want all columns. Okay, see, show tables. Okay, see, show tables. It will give list of things. Copy the same value. See, select star from table. What is the thing? It is projecting all the columns and all the records. This is fine. But I don't want all the columns. I want only specific column. Then we should go for what concept? So specific columns we can able to write. Now tell me how to write. Suppose like I want to get only employee ID. Go for employee ID. Employee. Okay, so department. So this is all columns. This is specific columns. Okay, see, specific columns. Okay, specific columns. Same thing in a similar fashion. I don't want all the records. I want only specific records. Okay, important. So here 8 records are there. I don't want all the records. I want to get specific records. By which concept we can able to get? Tell me. What's the concept? Anybody any idea? So see, there are millions of records. So millions of records will be there. We don't want all the records. We want only specific records. Okay, or particular record. So specific records or particular records. Then we should go for what concept? We should go for what? We should go for filtering concept. Okay, so filtering concept. So to discuss filtering concept topic. So because see what happened. So I don't want all the records. I want only particular records. Then we should go for filtering concept. Start with this class. Start with where. Okay, see this is important. So see, go back here one more time. So select star from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. You see, all the columns and all records. But I don't want all the columns, all the records. I want only specific department ID 300. Then we should go for what? We should go for where class. So where, okay, see this is important. Where department ID equals to 300. Okay. So get to the point, sir, 200. Getting it? So control enter. It is projecting like this. Clear so far? Little bit one more time. So see one more time. Suppose like I want to get only department. 300. Okay, see, getting the point, sir. When you try to exit now, it's projecting all the columns and all records. But I don't want all the records. I want to get only department ID 300. It is giving 300. So same. Now in a similar fashion, okay, now I want to get only salary 75,000. Tell me how to get only 75,000. Tell me.
Where salary is equal to 75,000.
No, already where is there no? So see already. So first condition is true. Second condition is that what? I want to satisfy 300 as well as 75.
And
We should go for and condition. And salary
equal to
equals
3,000.
75,000. Okay, see what happened. So see, it is giving how many records? 8 records it is giving. Okay, see, 8 records giving. But I don't want all the records. I want only specific. See, I'm putting the semicolon here. So control see what happened. It's giving only 300 departments. See, only 300 departments. Okay, it's giving. So see what happened, giving 3 records. Same thing in a similar fashion. Now what happened? So here salary 75,000, 75,000, 85,000. But I want only 75,000. Then go for one more, that is filtering on, that is one more, and that is 2 records. Now what happened now? I don't want all the employees, but I want only employee ID 40. Then what happened? We should write one more and condition, and employee ID equals to 40. Okay, get to the point, sir. So see here, where is nothing but say compulsory condition. Compulsory condition. Okay, see, compulsory in the sense like what? If condition satisfied only, suppose like if I put something like 3,000, tell me 3,000 departments there, so it won't. So it's a compulsory condition. Okay, if records matching only, the condition matching, the records will be projected. Same thing what happened? So see, 3,300, it is giving 3 records. Again, what I want? 75,000. See, 75,000 is giving 2 records are there. Again, what? Again, I want only 40 departments. So it's a 1 record. So here, where is compulsory condition? Tell me what about and also compulsory. No, so see this. See, if I put anything like 400, tell me 400 employees there, it is not there. So it won't give any data. See, these are compulsory conditions. If any conditions fail, what happened? There won't be any data. So clear so far? So select star from employee, it is projecting all the columns and all the records. See, here department heads are, we are having 100, 200, 300. But I want only department ID 300. Go for here. So go for 300. What happened? Given only 300 department. I can see salary we are having 75,000, 75,000, 8,000. But they want 75,000 only. So it will give only 2 records. 2 records. Again, what I want only employee ID 4. Then what happened? Then if I put 4, it will give only 1 record. So where is compulsory condition? And this compulsory condition, compulsory condition. Take the same use case one more time. So here there are, so this is very, very important concept. You see, so this is one more time trying to execute. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now I want to get department ID 100 and 200. Okay, see, suppose like if I go for where department ID equals to 100, what is giving? It's giving only 100 department. Now I want to get 100 as well as 200. Then how to get 100 as well as 200? Tell me.
Or condition.
Okay, see. Okay, see, if I put now, suppose if I put 100, it's fine. Again, what happened? If I put and department ID equals to 200, tell me it will give records or won't, it won't give any records in one?
No records.
So see what happens. So see, it's giving what? It's giving only 100 department. Okay, see, but what happens? So we are asking 100 as well as 200. Tell me it's follow for one record. For one record, we are asking to satisfy 2 conditions. Is it possible? It is not possible. So see, we are asking for 100 as well as 200. It's not. So instead of now, we should put what? We should put optional condition, that is R condition. R condition. See, go for R. Okay, see. So it will give what? Okay, either this value or this value. So see here, remember. So where is compulsory condition and this compulsory condition, and R is what? R is optional condition. So these are important. Okay, see one more time. So optional condition. Okay, go back here. Now take the same thing. Okay, so come back here. So see what happened. So department ID called 100. Okay, see it will give either this department or this department. Suppose like if I put 2000, tell me 2000 department is there? Tell me. Tell me 2000 department is there?
Not there.
Tell me.
We'll get the details of 100, sir. There is no department called
2000. Okay, so question is that what? So it will give which department? Only 100 or nothing it will give?
100.
100, because now what happens? It's an optional condition. So either this value or this value. Get the point. So see optional. So if it is condition matches, it will give this value. If condition matches, it will give. So if both are matching, it will give both values. But what happens? See, it's giving only 100. If I put 200, what happens? It will give this value. Clear, suffer?
Yeah.
As a clear suffer, like this way you can able to make. Say R is, so first one is that what? It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Okay, select statement is what? Data retrieval or data query or data fetching. How can you see by using this concept we can able? So this is fine. Next step is that what? So where department ID equals to 100. So it is give only particular department. So again what we are asking, R in the sense like what? Either this value or this value. If I put unknown, what happen? Tell me, and is nothing but for one condition, it is not possible to have two departments. So that's why it's don't give any data. In the same condition, we should go for R condition. So you see, it's won't give any. It's a wrong. It's okay. Get the point. So we'll see the concept. Once we come, we'll go for use cases. Okay, so instead of and, we should go for R concept. Okay. R concept. Same thing. Take the same value. Now requirement is that what I want to get employee ID 3, employee ID 4 and employee ID 40. Okay, see one more time. I want to get employee ID 3. Tell me, I want to get employee ID 3, 4, 40 and 5. How to get these values? Tell me. I want fetch only employee ID 3, only employee ID 4, only employee. So 4 records. I should
3 or 4.
So see,
3 or
R
4 or 5.
employee ID equals to 4 or employee ID equals to 40 or employee ID equals to 5. Okay, see, we should put the bracket open and a bracket close. So this is one condition. See, like this. So bracket from here to, so what happened? We get, so see, it will give 3, 4, 45. Okay, this is fine, no issues. But what happens? So see, now tell me, can I write like, suppose like we're having 10 records, can you write like this? Instead of now, we are having one more option. What's the option? Instead of writing multiple R, we can go for what?
In
condition.
In condition. Okay, okay, in condition. So instead of writing multiple records, now what happened? We can write, remember, equality work for only one record. If you want to get one record or more than one, you should go for in 3, 4, 40. Okay, so like this way, get in the answer, like this way, we can able to make it. Okay, see, it will give, so 3, 4, 50. Same thing if I put 50, suppose like take the same use case. Suppose I'm putting 500. Tell me 500 is there, it is not there. So 400 is there, 400 is not there. Okay, same thing. So something like this thing, it is not there. Okay, see what happened? Tell me, it's an optional condition. If it first condition satisfied, you second condition, if all the conditions are satisfied, you all records. It's an optional condition. So what happened? In is also what? In is also optional.
optional.
In operator. Okay. It's also called as, it is also multiple, or we can say it's a multiple R condition. Okay, see, get to the point, sir. So see, this is fine. So where is compulsory condition and is compulsory condition, R is optional condition, in is say multiple R. Okay, same thing. Suppose like I want to get only department ID 300. So we can write what? Select star from employee. So we should go for filtering concept R. Okay, where department ID, can I put in a
Equal.
it will work or not? In tell me, it will work. So it will work because no, remember, in can be, it can be what for in for, it can be single record
One
or
or for multiple.
one or multiple records we can have. But equality will work for only single condition. Single. Okay, see, get to the point. So this is clear so far. So one more time, select star from, so say the same use case. Okay, so 3, 4, 40. Now what happens? See, now so 3, 4, 45. I want to display one order. I want to get 3, 4, 5, 40. Okay, I want to do sorting. How can I do sorting in SQL? Anyone? Any idea? Sorting?
Order by
Group by.
So not a group by, then group by will work for aggregate function. See, we should go for what? We should go for sorting, that is order by concept. Okay, see, order by employee ID ascending. Yes, it's an ascending in the sense like what? Tell me, smaller value to bigger value.
Bigger one.
Same thing. If I want to get bigger value to small, we should go for what? We should go for
Descending.
DESC. So DESC, ascending sort and a descending sort. Suppose like if I remove this thing, what happened? Tell me, by default, which type of sort?
By default, ascending.
Ascending sort. See, ascending sort. Okay, so 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, by default, if I put anything, if I don't mention anything, we'll get what? We'll get ascending sort. Ascending in the sense like what? Smaller value to bigger value. Okay, so bigger value. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so at last, remember, at last we'll go for this sorting concept. So we'll to display properly. Same thing. Now one more time. So we select a star from employee. Now see what happened. I don't want all the columns. I want only specific department ID. Remember, I don't want all the columns. I want only specific department ID. How can I get? And see what happened. I don't want all the columns. I want only specific.
In select star,
Instead of star,
we
we
should
simply
mention the column name.
column name. So okay, I don't want all the columns. I want only specific column and department. And see what happens. See 100, 200. See what happened. We are having 100 2 times, 200 3 times. I want to get only one time. Okay, how to get only unique records?
Distinct.
We should go for distinct class. Okay, so distinct keyword. Okay, see distinct. Okay, see what happened. So it will give unique records 100, 200, 300. See, it is giving what? It's giving all the records. So 8 records are there. It's giving 8 records. But what happened? I want to display only unique record. Then we should go for distinct keyword.
Yes.
But I want to get 300, 200, 100 in reverse manner. Then I want to get 300, 200, 100. How to get?
Descending.
Descending order.
We should put what? We should use what's the keyword? Order by. We should mention
Order by.
Order by department.
Descending.
DESC, descending.
Yes.
So if by default, if I don't put what happens, then ascending.
Ascending.
Okay, so this is important. So these are simple, but what happened? These are important. Okay. So this is fine. We'll go for one more use case. Let's take the same thing. Now what happened? Instead of department ID, now it's projecting all the columns and all the records. Okay, see, it's projecting all the columns and all records. So this is fine. Next step is that what now? See, I want to get salaries. See, now what happened? If I put order by 3 descending. Anybody can ever tell what is order by 3? Anyone seeing this use case?
Third column will be order. Descending.
Okay, see what happened. So
Salary.
the first
Salary.
column, second column, third column. So see if we can able to write so salary descending, or instead of writing 3, instead of writing no, I can simply write 3 in a sense like what. So third column will get descending salary. Okay, you can put one. Now what happened? Tell me. You first column descending manner. Okay, so this is we can able to write the number, or you can able to do like this. Okay, so this is fine. Now requirement is that what I want to get. So important. I want to get list of employees. Okay, whose salary in the range of 50. Okay, in the range of 50K to 75K. Tell me.
In between.
Okay, see what happened. So suppose like take the same use case one more time. Okay, see the same use case. Okay, see where salary. Tell me, can you write a salary in 50,000,
Comma.
50,001. Tell me, can you follow 50,002, 50,003 up to 75,000. Tell me, is it Paula? 25,000 can write like this. It is not
No.
possible. Okay, so remember, so this for this purpose, what? Okay, for a range of values, you should go for what concept? Range of values, we should go for what? Tell me, range of values. Anyone? Any idea?
In between.
So between concepts. So between concepts. So range of values. Okay, see, range of values. Okay, so remember, so in is for what? In is for specific records. Okay, so between is for what? It's a range of values. When we know starting limit and ending limit. Okay, so then we should go for this between concept. Get to the point. So see, remember, in is for specific like third record, fifth record. But when you know starting limit, when you know end, we should go for what? We should not go for, because we can't able to write this much of records. It's a TDSS process. Then what happened? We should go for, so which concept? We go for between concept. So where salary between Between what? Between 50,000 and 75,000.
75,000.
Okay, so 75,000. See the same thing important. So this is single line comment. Okay, see. So see the same thing. Now what happens? 50,000 is there? Tell me 50,000 will come or not? If I write execute this statement, this 50,000 will be populated or not?
Populated.
Okay, what about 75,000?
It will be also included.
Okay, see what happened. So see what happened. If I put order by 3. Now this is what, sir? Tell me, ascending or descending?
Ascending, sir.
Ascending sort. Okay, see what happened. So see, this is ascending sort. Okay, 50,000. So see, 50,000 is inclusive value, 70,000 is inclusive. So in the sense like what? Lower boundary. So see, important. Lower limit or lower boundary. Okay, and upper limit, upper boundary. Both are what? Both are inclusive. Inclusive. What is included in sense like what? If condition matches, so this value will get populated. Okay. So these are inclusive. Okay, see 50,000. So we can able to get it. Yeah, no issues. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, next step is that what? So see the same thing. Now understand this is very important. Copy the same value. Now I'm trying to put the same 50,000 one more time. Tell me now records will come or not?
We'll get for only 50,000 value.
Okay, how many records will be populated?
2.
2. See what
50,000.
happened. So see, just now discuss now 50,000, 75,000, both are. So now see the same thing. Now I'm giving both the values. See, so in the sense like what? It will give both the values are inclusive. So this is important. So this is inclusive value. This so it will do same data. Now take the same use case. This is very important. Copy the same value. Okay, now I'm putting some little bit bigger value. Tell me how many cards will be populated? 1 or 2? Anyone? Tell me anyone.
It gives you only one, sir.
1 away.
No, sir. Actually, first value is bigger than second value.
So how many cards will give? Answer 1 or 2?
2.
0.
2 away 2.
0
See what happens? You see, this is simple only, but it's a conversion. See what happened? Query produce no results. So see what happened? It's working fine. Now see what happened. So this is little bit bigger value. So logic is
It's
that
logically
what?
wrong.
So logical is that what? Okay, see, always remember. So lower limit boundary equals to, it should be either, it should be equal to upper limit boundary. So it will give the records. Okay, see. So always remember. So this should be either less than or it should be equal. So see, this lower limit should be either equal to upper limit or should be less than the value. If it is, suppose if it is greater than what happened, tell me it will work. It won't work. It's a wrong. Logical, it's a wrong. So always the lower limit value should be either less than or it should be equal to. If it is greater than, it won't give any data. See, getting the point. See what happened. If it is 40,000, we'll get the data because it's a less value. Same thing if I put 50,000 on, it will work. It will work. Both are same. But what happened when you put like this? What happens? A bigger value. So bigger value. So logical, it's a wrong. So getting the point. It's a simple, but what happens? It's a logically wrong. Clear, Safar? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like so you can able to. Okay, so this is simple, but what happened? A little bit confusion. So always this value should be either equal to or it should be less than. But if it is greater than, it won't be correct. Okay, now take the same use case one more time. Select star from employee, projecting all the columns and all records and order by 1 ascending. What happened? Tell me. So see, it is projecting all the columns and all records in a sorted manner. Okay, first column sorted. Now see the same use case. Now requirement is that what? I know starting employee ID, that is 4. Okay, I know starting employee, but I don't know ending value. Okay, see, I know starting limit, but I don't know ending. So I want to get list of employees starting with 4. Okay, I don't know ending value. Then how to get any idea? Tell me. I know starting limit. Okay, simple thing. I'll tell me. I know starting limit, that is 4. I don't know ending limit. Then what's the concept use? Starting limit
Less than or equal to 4.
less than equal to what? Less than give what it won't give. Okay. So I know starting limit. So starting this is equal to 4. I want to get all this value. Then simple thing now. Tell me suppose like if I want to get only 4th record, how to get only 4th record? Only 4th record. We should go for
Yes.
what? Where
Just happens even where
employee
employee
ID equals
Right,
to
equal to 4.
4. If I want to
equal to
get 4,
4.
but if I want to get starting from 4 in the sense like what? We can go for simply what? Tell me answer is here only. I know starting limit.
Greater than or equal to.
Simply I'll put
Equal to or greater than 4.
so greater than or equal to 4. Get the point. So simple only, but what happened? Conversely, I know starting limit, but I don't know end limit. It can be anything. So you can put greater than or equal to 4, and I want to do sorting order by employee ID ascending. Same thing. I know ending limit. That is, I know ending limit is 40. I don't know starting limit. Then now tell me what I should write. I know starting
Ascending
limit.
order
Okay,
Yes,
should go for
balance.
what? If it's 40, I know 40, not for okay. But I know ending limit. We should go for what? Less than
less than or equal to 40.
equals to.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
see, get the point, sir. So clear as ever. So less than equal to 40. Now see what happened. So now I know ending limit and I know starting limit. So this is important. There are two options are there. I know 4 and 40 is there. Tell me how can I get? I know starting limit. I know ending limit. Tell.
Then we
Okay.
go to between.
Between 4.
Okay, we can go for between. So what do you think concept? Okay, select the star from employee. So this is logical only. So remember, SQLs are nothing but it's a logical thing. Select star from employee. So where what? Employee ID between starting this what 4 and
4
ending
and
40.
40.
Okay, 40. Okay, suppose if I put vice versa, it worker.
No.
No. Okay, so logically it's wrong. Okay. So I want to do sorting. How can I do sorting? We should go for order by
Order by
1 ascending sir. So this is fine. Now tell me only by using this between concept. Just now discuss. I know starting limit. I know ending. Then how to get this value? Tell me. Answer is here only. Okay, tell me. I know starting limit. Tell me starting limit. How to write? Greater than or equal to 4. 4. But what happened? I want only length. So we should write one more compulsory condition. Tell me how to write compulsory condition. Compulsory condition and employee ID should be less than or equals to 40. 40. Get the point, so see, this is one more time. So see what happened. So select star from employee, what's giving? Tell me, it's giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me 4, 5, 6, 40. And 49. It's giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Okay. Now what happens? See the same thing. So select star from employee greater than or equal to 4. Tell me greater than or equal to 4. What are the records we'll get? First record will come on. Now tell me, we'll get what? We'll get starting from 4. That is this way. Get the point, sir? It is giving what? 4, 5, 6, 40. See 4. Okay. So see giving. So see 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. But requirement is that what I want to get employee ID less than or equal to 40. Less than or equal to 40 in the system, you tell me. Less than or equal to 40 will get from here to here will get. Okay. Tell me from this one on this nothing but what is a compulsory condition. Okay. How many cards will come? Tell me. So see starting from so 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. So now we're getting what? So less than or equal to 40 in the sense like what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40. A compulsory condition. So these two conditions satisfy. What are the cards will get? Tell me. What the cards will get? So 4 is matching, 5 is matching, 6 is matching, 40 is matching. Clear or little bit confusing? Okay, so suppose like if you not able to follow. So see, take the same value. Now what happened? So select star from employee. So it's giving what? It's giving all the records. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 40. Okay, and I'm putting order by. Order by is nothing but starting order by 1 ascending or descending. So it's giving all the records 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see this is fine. But what happened requirement is that what I want to get list of employees starting with 4. Tell me starting with 4 instance like we should go for where employee ID equal to 4 it will give only 4th record. But I want to get starting with for instance like greater than or equal to 4. Tell me what records will get. So 4, 5, 6, 40 will come. So you get the point, sir. So this is one thing. Okay, same thing. Now what happened? Now I know ending limit. Ending limit is what? Tell me. I know ending limit is 40. That is less than or equals to 40. Tell me how many cards will come less than or equal to 40? It will give 1, 2, 3. So it will give all the records. Okay, so you get the point. So see, it is giving all the records. Now requirements that what? I know starting limit, I know ending limit. So it will give output is 4, 5, 6, 40. Okay, take the same use case, copy the value. So link expiring, come back, same link. Okay, and employee ID greater than or equals to 40. Clear so far? It will give. So compulsory. This is compulsory condition. See, less than or equal to 40. So 4, 5, 6. So see, this condition it is see less than or equal to 4. Okay, see less than or equal to greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 40. These three records will get. Clear so far? Link expiring, come back. End out has now anyone? Yes or no? So this is filtering concept and sorting. Now we'll see the use case. Okay, see, we'll go for Flipkart application. We can able to. So if you know starting limit greater than equal to 4 and less than equal to 40, we can able to make it. Okay, so get the point, sir. So this is clear. So this is filtering concept and sorting concept. See one more time. So see 1 second. Okay, see, select star from table. What will do? It is projecting all columns and all rows. Okay, same thing. Now what happened? Now see, if I select instead of star, put column 1, column 2. Tell me what is the output? What will happen? Tell me. It is projecting all the records on specific columns. Okay, so this is fine. Now take the same use case. Select star from table where column 1 equals to val1. Tell me what is the exact requirement? When you execute, what will happen? Tell me.
Only value column 1 value 1 only showing.
So what will give?
Value 1.
Okay, see, so it is projecting all the columns and all the columns and specific condition matching only it will give. Okay, same thing. If I go for sorting, what happened? Tell me. Order by 1. What will happen? Tell me, anyone? XSMN. What will happen? Tell me when you exit like this. No, anyone? What exactly happened here? It is projecting all records, or not all records, not it's projecting all the columns and specific records and sorting by which column? Which column? First column or second column?
First column.
First column. Okay, select that. Select this. Now we'll see the use case. So see, this is assuming this is one table. Now this is Flipkart is nothing but what? One table. Suppose like select a star from Flipkart. What will happen? Assume like Flipkart is one table. What will happen? Tell me what is what is it will give? It is projecting
All the columns from
All
the
the columns and records.
all columns and all
records.
all records. Okay, see all the columns and all the records. Now suppose like I want to purchase a phone. Tell me if I want to purchase a phone, what happened? Tell me. I need to see. Remember, if you want to purchase phone, do you require grocery, travel? We don't want. So we want to get only particular regard this mobile or phone. See, phone we can able to search. See, okay. So remember one thing. So assume like this is select important. These concepts are important. So we should visualize the data. Then it's easy. Okay. Assume like there are 5 lakh records are there. Tell me, as a end user, can you search for 5 lakh records? Huh? Tell me, as a end user.
No, sir, it will be tough.
Okay, it is tough. Okay, so because no, it's not possible. Okay, so now what happened? We should go for filtering concept. Filtering concept start with which class?
Where?
We should go for what? We should go for where class. Okay, see where. Okay, see where. Actually, category is one column. Category equals to phone. Now, how many cards are reducing? Tell me. From 5 lakh reducing to 9,000 records. That is 10K. You can say 10K records. So this is fine. Now what happens? See, now tell me 10K also it will be tough to get it done. Now remember one thing. Now my budget is 10K and 30K. Now 10K and 30K in the sense like what, tell me? So if it is my budget, can you go for 2 lakhs records? Huh?
No.
No. Can I go for less records? Huh? So below 1000? No. Okay, now I know specific records. See what happened? I know range. So grade 10,000 and 30,000. See, it's reducing. So records are reducing in the sense like what? Which concept we're using? Reducing?
Filtering counts.
Filtering. No, filtering is fine. Okay, then which is compulsory? See, already one condition is there. Where? Okay, now one more condition is that what? Compulsory condition. How can
Between
write?
and condition.
And okay, and we know starting limit and we know ending limit. Then we should go for what concept? And price
Price between
10,000 and 30,000. 30,000. Okay, how many cards came? So 4,000, like 3K cards are there. You see, same thing. Now same thing. Now what happened? Now I want only specific Samsung brand, but it's giving Redmi, Realme. Now what happens? See 3,000. I want to select only Samsung brand. Say tell me 446. Now it's a compulsory condition or optional condition. Records are reducing. Or no, see what happened. So remove this value. So you should check the count. Okay, see. 1 second. Okay, see. Okay, now remove this value. So 3,000 records are. Now I want only Samsung brand. See, from 3,000 it is reducing to 400. Tell me it's a compulsory. It's a compulsory condition of records reducing. It's a compulsory condition. So compulsory condition will go for and what? And brand
is equal to
brand equals to
Samsung.
Samsung. Okay, so like this Samsung brand. Okay, see how many cards? It's reducing to 400 cards. Now see, you understand the same thing. Now suppose like I am looking for Samsung brand. See 446 cards are there, and I am looking for Oppo brand. Now see records are increasing to 700. Now tell me this is what records are increasing in the sense that it's a compulsory condition, optional condition, the particular brand. In the particular brand. So see remove it.
Compulsory.
So see one more time. So Samsung brand. So remove the Samsung brand and remove Oppo brand. Okay, see how many cards are there? 346. See the data. 3,400 cards are there. Now I'm selecting only Samsung. See 446. Okay. Now I'm selecting Oppo. It's increasing to 711. So records are increasing optional condition. So in the same condition, see. So this is important logic. Copy the same thing. Okay. So brand equal to Samsung, or one more thing is that what? Or tell me. Brand equals to Oppo. Get a point. So see Oppo. Same thing. So see the value. How many cards came? 711. Again, I want to go for Vivo. Now see it is increasing to 1,000. So one more R condition. Okay. See, get the points a little bit clearer or confused? Okay, and brand equals to Vivo. In the same brand, I want to pick either Samsung brand, either Oppo brand, or Vivo brand. Okay, get the point. So see, it's a cup. See, it starts with phone condition. They starts this price condition. So from this three condition, it can be anything. Samsung brand, Oppo brand, Vivo brand. At least one condition should be satisfied. Suppose like if no conditions are what happened, there won't be any record because it's a and condition. So either this condition or this condition or this condition. Now how many cards came? This records came. 1,000 records came. Clear so far? 1,000. Now instead of writing multiple R condition, how can I simplify this code?
With in
We can
operator.
go for in operator. Okay, see brand in. Okay, so in Samsung.
Open the bracket.
Close
Samsung,
bracket, comma, Oppo, comma, Vivo. So it can be anything. Okay. So remember, R is same as in is same as R. So Samsung multiple condition we can able. It will pick either this value or this value or this value. If three conditions value, it gives three conditions also. So clear so far. So this is fine, no issues. Clear so far. Now how many cards came? 1,000 cards came. So 1,000 is a little bit confusing. Now what happened? I want only specific 3 GB RAM. Okay, see 110. Tell me records are reducing. It's a compulsory optional condition. It's a compulsory condition. Okay, see and see. So see the data 1,000 are there. It's reducing to 100. So and what happened? And RAM equals to what? RAM equal to 3 GB. 3 GB. Okay, so 3 GB. So this is clear so far. This is fine. Now see this is fine. Now one more condition. Now what happened? Now see. Now I want to get 20% or more. 20% or more in the sense, so tell me. Okay, it's a discount. I know starting limit and discount. Tell me 20% or more. How to get? Minimum.
Discount
Starting limit I know. Then
equal to or greater than.
so greater than or
equal
equals to 20%. See how many cards came? It is giving 30 cards. So now what happened? Now see the same data 10,000, 11,000, 10,000. I want to do sorting. How do the sorting? Tell me. How do the sorting? We should go for what? Sorting can be done by using what? By using which class?
descending or ascending.
Order by. Okay, order by
Order.
price, descending or ascending. So this is filtering concept, and see it is giving 5 lakh records one more time. So remove the value, clear all the same thing. Now see this is select star from table. Now what happened? I want search for only phone. How many records? 9,000 records giving. Okay, so same thing. Now what happened? My budget is so something. But what happened? This is beyond my. Now we should go for range of value, that is between concept we can. Okay. Now I want to get specific brands only. Suppose like I want to get, so this is records. Remember, records are this is a compulsory condition. Okay. Suppose then I want to get one more, this is an optional condition. So at last what happened? I know starting limit. So 40% of, so it's nothing but what say? Say greater than or equal to 40. At last you should go for sorting concept. So this is filtering concept and sorting concept. Same will go for one more use case, that is Myntra application. Yes, see what happened? So Myntra application. See, assuming this is what table? So assuming this is Myntra table. So same thing. Select star from Myntra. It is giving what? Tell me. It is projecting all columns and all records are all rows. Assuming it's also 5 lakh records. See, select star. Like this, you should visualize. So Myntra. Now what happened? I want to purchase a shirt. Okay, see what happened? When you want to purchase shirt, what happened? You should go for what concept? Say filtering concept. See shirt. Now see from 5 lakh reducing to 1.5 lakh. Tell me, as a end user, can you search for 1.5 lakhs?
No, sir, it's
No,
stop
it's
job.
not. So it's a like okay, it's a hectic process. Now what happened? We should go for filtering concept, that is where category equal to shirt. Like this, we should visualize. So what happened? How many cards coming in our see 1.5 lakh records coming. Now take the same use case. See what happened? I want to purchase shirt for myself. So do you require women? No. So we should go for see 1.5 lakhs reducing to 1.2. So it's a reducing in the sense it's a compulsory condition and gender equals to men. So see it's giving what? It's giving 1.2 lakhs. So this is fine. Now see what happened. Now see the same thing. Now I want to get the data is what? Say 1.2 lakhs, but I want to select only white color shirt. Okay. Now reducing, see what happened? So reducing the sense like what say compulsory condition and color equals to white. Getting the point. So suppose like I see records of 16,000 is there. Now what happened? I want to select white color as well as green color. See records are increasing. So increasing is a compulsory optional condition. Tell me records are increasing. It's an optional condition. So you can write color equal to white or color equals to green. Okay, so green. Okay, instead of writing multiple condition, how can I simplify this thing? Instead of writing R, we can write what?
In.
We can write. Okay, so color in white. Okay, so get the point side like this way. Now it records 26,000K. So 26K records are. Okay, so this is fine. Now take the same use case. Now what happened? I don't want all the brands. I want only Allen Solly. See 26,000. It is reducing. So reducing is a compulsory conditions. And what? And brand. Okay, so brand equals to Allen Solly. Like this, you should visualize. Okay, then it's a simple and easy thing. Now, how many cards came? So 658 cards. 658. So mute yourself. Okay, so 658 cards came. Now, what happened? See the same use case. Now, I want to see what happened. I want to select this range 854 to. Tell me this is what? I know starting limit and I know limit. Then she go for what?
Between.
So between. So see what happened. And price between what happens? See 854 and 1653. 854 and 1653. Now suppose like, so this condition is fine. Now see data P39 records are there. Now go back here. Now I want select this condition also. See, so see it is getting increased. Now what happened? I want to satisfy this condition as well as this condition. Now we should write what? Instead of one, we should go for what? R condition. R. So this is important. Okay, logic. R. So getting the guys, remaining guys, get clear so far. Okay, see R price 1653 and 2452. 2452. Okay, so this is condition. Now see 600 540. Again, what I want to get this condition. So what happens? See now what happens? See it's getting increased. Now we should write one more R condition. And what happened? So 2452 3251 24. So 3251. Okay, so 32. So 3251. So clear so far. See what happened. Now tell me, instead of writing this much condition, I want to get in one condition. How to write one condition, single condition?
We can use in operator.
In operator, how it will work in now? Tell me.
Or else you can use between
Okay, see what
the
happened.
lowest price and the highest price.
Then see what.
854
Tell
and
me. So tell me.
3251.
So instead of writing multiple condition, I want to make it to single condition. Okay, tell me how to write. Tell me only one guy saying. Remaining guys are what? Okay, tell me. So see what happened. So see, instead of writing three condition, I want to make it a single condition. Okay, then. Tell me, instead of writing multiple condition, I want to make it a single condition. Simple thing. Tell me logic.
Instead of 1653, you can use 3251 highest limit.
Okay, see, we know, see
First
what
one.
happened. So we know start, this is ending limit, this is the starting limit. So this is ending limit, this is so we know starting limit and we know ending limit. Then how can write? So instead of writing multiple conditions simply, I can write what?
Between 854 to 3251.
And 3251. That's it, no? So see same. Yes. Okay. Okay, instead of like between, is there any other option? Tell me, starting. Okay, see. Any option? I know starting limit, I know ending. Then we should go for what? Greater than.
Greater than.
Greater than or equal to and less than or equal to
Okay, so 8. Okay, see, and less than or equal. Okay, see, I know starting limit, I know ending limit. So we can get like this way. So greater the point. So see how many cards came? So see 600 cards came. Now same thing. Now what happened? I want 30% and above. Or so see 350. Now tell me condition. So it's a compulsory condition. Next is go for and condition and discount greater than or equals to 30. Now how many cards came? So 353. See from 5 lakh records we are reducing to 353. See we are making the user, so the user or the customer to get less data, because now as an end user it is not possible to set this much value, this much value. So what happened? 351. Now what happened? Now see I want to do sorting. How can we do sorting? We should go for what concept? We should go for what?
Order by.
Order by class. Okay, see order. Okay, take any use case, data need to come from the table. They should use filtering concept and sorting concept. Clear so far? So order by price, ascending or descending. So get to the point, sir. Clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is fine, no issues. Okay, see, get a little bit please. Now we can able to get. So this is clear so far, like this way we can able to. Okay, so this is filtering concept and sorting concept, because no, we don't want all records. We want only specific records and we can able to get it there. Okay, so clear. So this is filtering. Take any use case, the same concept will be. Okay, this is filtering concept and sorting. So same use case, tell me. So see, okay, there are Alan Soli, 2, 3, there's multiple records, but we are getting only unique records. How to get unique records?
Distinct.
So we should go for distinct brand from table. We can able to get to the point. So same thing. So we can able to get multiple colors, but we'll get distinct colors. So this is the way. Okay, same use case. Now try to see one or two use case, then proceed. So this is important. So see the same thing. Okay, see the same use case. Okay, now see the same thing. Now what happened? Assume like, okay, so select star from one table. So assume like this is the price column. Now tell me, I want to get only this condition. How to get only this condition? How to get only this condition?
Less than equal.
Less
Where
than or
price
equal to
less than
20.
25.
Tell me, I want to get only
The price
Ah.
less than 25,000.
where price less than or equal to 25,000. So this is fine. Suppose like I want to get these two conditions in a single condition, then
Price between 25,000 and 1 lakh.
so price between 25,000 and 1 lakh. So this is fine, no issues. Okay, so this is clear. Suppose like tell me, so see, instead of writing multiple conditions, so see what happened. So these three conditions, I want to get it done in a single condition. I'm telling you simple thing, but it's a logical.
Greater than 25,000, less than 1 lakh.
No, greater than
No,
25,000
it's less than 1 lakh.
So see
But,
one
Less
more.
than 1 lakh.
zero,
It's just
Great-
less than 1
less
lakh.
than
is
1
right,
lakh,
it
less
gets
So
than
basically,
1 lakh.
where price greater equal to 25,000, what happened? We don't get 25,000 like that. Okay, now see, this is what? This is not correct. Tell me what one more time. So see, I know, see,
Less than 1 lakh.
so less than 25,000, what can be 0, it can be 10,000.
0 to
So
25,000.
we don't know any starting limit. We know ending limit. So ending limit is what? That be price less than or equal to 1 lakh. Suppose like take the same use case. Now tell me how to handle this condition. Now tell me.
Between 25. Greater than 25,000.
Confidence is say. Tell me. So we know starting limit or we know ending?
Greater than 25,000. More than it, 1 lakh more than no. So there is no limit.
So see, we know start, so 25,000, so 50,000, 50,000. So 1 lakh, 1 lakh. We don't know ending value. So we know starting limit. Then how to get this value?
Greater than 25,000.
You should get what? Greater than or equal to 25,000. So get to the point. So see the same. Suppose like, so this is simple. Suppose like I want to get all these conditions in a single condition. Then tell me, in a single condition,
Price is equal to, sir, you can take price is equal to infinite.
infinite is not there, no? Infinite is not there.
Yeah, it's 1 lakh and more.
Greater than 0.
So simply what happened, we know starting limit. What is what price numbering start with 0 only, no? Simply can write the price greater than or equals to 0.
Or else we can remove the condition.
Simply what
Price
happened, we can
condition.
able to comment this condition. That's it. So ultimately what we need to get, so simply we can able to comment this condition. That's it. It's a single line comment. Okay, see, get the point clear so far. So this is simple only, but what happened? Logic. Okay, so instead of writing multiple condition, we want to get in single condition. Okay. So I'll give the task now, try to do same. So this is simple only, but what happened? So these are important. Take the same use case. Now see what happened. We are having, so Zomato. So see Zomato. So Zepto and Zoom. Tell me. So I want to ascending sort. Ascending sort in the sense like what? Which record will come first? Zomato, Zepto, Zoom.
Zepto.
Second one.
See what happens. See ascending sort no first column. So both are same. Go for second record. So which is smaller value? ERO. So Zepto is the small value. Okay, sir. Okay. Same thing. Now tell me which is the second. So which value is the small value? So
Zomato.
Zomato. Like this. Okay. So we will see the multi columns are tomorrow. Okay, see, get the points. I say like remember filtering concept and sorting concept are very, very important. Okay, so get the concept. So let's see 1 or 2 questions. Okay, see the same scheme. Okay, see the same use case. Okay, see, retrieve all the employees in department 5 whose salary is between 50,000 and 60,000. Okay, tell me. Tell me. Select star from employees. Okay.
Where department is equal to 5.
Okay.
And the salary is between 50,000 and 60,000.
So include in the sense like what? We can go for between or we can go for where salary greater than equal to 50,000 and salary less than equal to
60,000.
Suppose like if these are not inclusive, then
It's a big question.
Big question. Simple thing only. What happened? Okay.
Where salary
The-
greater than
You have to use
50,000.
in
Excluding 50,000 and 60,000.
That's simple. Now what happened? If you know, if you remember, okay, see, if you learn A now, we should make it of AA. Okay, so that then only you can able
Where
to get.
salary greater than
People
50,000.
select star from employee. So what happened? Correct. So where if I put no salary between 50,000 and what happened? 50,000 and 60,000. Okay, so this is fine. This is normally. But what happened? I don't want to see this value. Simply what happened? We can write salary
Okay.
greater than 50,000 and salary.
Less than 60,000.
That's it. No, these are this won't be increased. So
Yeah.
see the question. So like this. It's simple only, but tricky. So if you solve like this, so what happened? In real time, we can able to write the complicated logic. That's what. Okay. So main purpose of training is that what? So we should understand the concept. We should know how to implement. If you don't know how to implement, then it's not possible. Okay. So see the same use case. Okay. See what. So see what happened. Read to all distinct salary values. Now tell me how to get only distinct salary values.
Next distinct salary from
Distinct
employee.
salaries.
Salary from
Select
table. Okay. So read to all employee names whose address is in Bel Air. All employee
Where
names.
address is equal to Bel Air.
So they want only names.
Yeah,
Select
select
employee name
employee.
where address equal to below.
Where address is equal to Bel Air.
Okay, so they want only specific cards, we can able. Okay, so get the point. So looks simple only, but what? Okay, last second. So read to all employees who were born during 1950s. Tell me which right. Okay, we'll see this one in date. This care condition. This date condition. Display all the details of all employees working in the company.
Select star.
From employees. That's it. Okay. What about
Yeah.
second record? Second one. Display SSN LNM for who work in department number 7.
Where department number
Select
is equal to seven.
SSN, LName, final name, and
So they don't want all the
where
columns. They want
department is
only
equal to
specific
num.
columns. Select SSN
Where
LNM from employees where department number equal to 7. Or you can go for department name number in 7. Anything we can do.
Yeah.
So clear so far. So try to browse this application. So Flipkart. Okay. So anytime. Okay. So Flipkart. Okay. Or any application. So okay. So Zomato, anything. Okay. So like what remember what the application we refer now, their data is coming from the tables. Okay. We don't want all the records. We want only specific. Then we should go for where condition and are in between greater than less than. Then what happen? At last we go for sorting. Same thing. Go for go for red bus application or anything. Okay. So click on this value. Okay, see now what happened? I don't want, see, I want travel from Hyderabad. Okay, see, Hyderabad to Bangalore. Okay, what happened? See, it's giving date, as in like today's date. Okay, so like tomorrow days I go. Okay, see, search buses. It will give only these two ranges. Okay, so how many cards came? See, how many cards came? So 194 buses are. Tell me, can you search 194? It's not possible. Okay, now I am traveling evening time. So see, after 6 p.m. See, 194 reducing to 167. Okay, now what happened? I want only AC bus. See, AC. See what happened? 167 is reducing to 130. Same thing what happened? I want only single seats. Okay, see, this is single. Now what happened? See, 109 records here. Same thing what happened? I want to get AC charging. So I'm working right. So I want charging. See, reducing. Same thing what happened in a similar fashion go for I want to get Wi-Fi. So reducing. Same thing at last what how many cards from 200 reduced to 20. Again I can able to filter the same thing. Okay, now so bed sheet. Okay, so we can filter. Okay, get the point. See 15 records. At last what happened? I am looking for low budget. Then what happened? What happened? We should go for what? Low budget. What should do? Low budget. Okay, we should go for forward, fair, ascending or descending? Low budget.
Ascending.
Ascending. See? Okay, see 590. So this is the lower. If I go for bigger budget, so I can go for less. So I go for ratings. Okay. So less rating, more rating. So arrival time, departure. So get the point. So this is like this. So this is the filtering concept and it's the SAP. Okay, take in application, the same concept will be used. Okay. So clear so far?
Sir.
Okay, so getting a little bit, it's a simple only, but what happens? So you should learn. Okay, so these are basic things only. If you know the basic, we can write 100 plus lines of code. Okay, if you don't know basic, it's not possible. Okay, so you should do that's why. So your basic should be strong. If your basic is strong, what happen? We can able to write n numbers. See, this is less data. Same thing can go for millions of records. We can go for multiple tables. Okay, so first come for the simple records, then go for complicated data. We can. So ultimately, what if you learn the basic, you can able to go for complicated. So easy and so clear so far? End of session, everyone.